Hey everybody, welcome back to Other Toys New. Today we're going to be making slime the simplest way, I think. So, first, I found this glue at Target for only 40 cents. So, yeah. And it works. So I'm just going to pour the whole bottle in. And I'm using a skewer to mix this too, so yeah. I'm trying to make it pink, but I hope it's turning red, not pink. So first you're supposed to add the glue in, then the food dyes. I need like another drop or two. So it didn't end up pink, but I like to have mine a little bit white. I think it looks cool with like a little white in it. So that's good, I think. Let's try to wipe this off. This is food dye, not color dye, so I'm gonna add a little bit of this to hide it. It's probably good. We're gonna have to add more food dye in this thing. This is like white. Excuse my cat in the background. It's turning pink now, guys. I think we should use a little bit. It's really sticky. I'm gonna start just a little bit longer. I think I'm gonna use a little bit more too. It's good to play with now. So it turns out a little liquidy at first, and that's how you make good slime. Like if it starts out liquidy, because it just got wet a lot, then that's good. But so you just gotta play with it for a while. I'm gonna ask my cameraman, Aiden, do you think I should put like more glue on this or what?
Just set it on the counter, play with it.
Move this out of the way. It's starting out real sticky here. Turn it into good slime though. It's so sticky. I've never had slime. It's okay.
I got a little bit more detergent right now. It's really sticky. I can pour it in. You don't need to.
I'm gonna add a little bit more stuff. It's super sticky. Here we go. There we go. It's better now. A lot less sticky now. This is some good slime here, guys. A little bit of a mess, but thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.